What do names on tax statements mean for legal ownership? Hi, my name is Alec Osland, and I'm an attorney at the Yanowitz law firm, where we've been helping Minnesota families with wills, trusts, and probate for over 3 decades. The property's in my name because my name's on the tax statement, or the property isn't in my name because my name isn't on the tax statement, or the property's not in my trust because my tax statement only has my name and it doesn't say the name of my trust. These are phrases that I hear a lot in the estate planning world and from clients. My answer to all of these questions or phrases is yes, that may be the case. However, whatever name is or is not on the tax statement has no legal bearing to ownership whatsoever. So, yes, your name may or may not be on the tax statement. However, what legally matters is what is on the deed that conveys fee title and that is recorded with the county recorder. At any time, you can reach out to the county and you can request or fill out paperwork to update your tax statement, to have it sent to a new address, or to have a name added or removed, but that has no legal bearing to ownership of the property. With the tax statements, a lot of times when we have multiple people owning the same property, for example, if someone passed away and they left a family cabin or something like that to multiple children, not all the names are going to fit on that tax statement. From what we've just discussed, that doesn't mean that all of the siblings don't own it, but just a few may be on that tax statement. A lot of counties will only send out one tax statement and they won't send it to all of the owners, so they have to have one address listed. So again, the takeaway here is that even if your name is not on the tax statement, someone else's address is, that may just be another co-owner, and it does not impact your legal rights with owning the property. Regarding the question about the trust and the trust not being on the tax statement, my general answer to that question is it's going to depend on what type of estate plan you have. If you do have a trust, the property may be conveyed to your trust via a transfer on death deed. That transfer on death deed conveys the property upon your death. So you as an individual retain ownership, and it is upon your death that is when the property is conveyed to your trust. If you have conveyed the property to your trust, your individual name could still be on the tax statement because, as we have discussed, whatever is on the tax statement has no legal bearing with the ownership. So with that being said, asset ownership and real estate specifically, it can be difficult to understand, and it's important to make sure that you have an understanding on how your assets are titled and what happens with your assets when you pass away, and that your estate plan is what you want it to be. So it's very important that you work with an attorney and with a firm who can accomplish the goals that you want in the correct manner, and therefore making sure all of your wishes are complete. I'd like to thank you for watching this video today, and I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Bye.